What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a great day today. I got some dirt. I've got some dirt. Look at me, I got some dirt. Hey Chuck, what you gonna do with all this dirt? I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with all that dirt. I'm going against script is what I'm doing. So I didn't have any sort of leveling in my plan for the strip here. I didn't. If I was, it was gonna get some bags of topsoil from Lowe's, which is sort of what I used over there by the mailbox. But after thinking about it and realizing how much damage had been done, and then remembering there was one more thing I wanted to do before I aerated and overseeded, I decided it'd be best to get 500 square feet of topsoil. So that's what I have there. I wish I would have had them bring it up a little bit closer to where it needs to be actually, because I'm not going to do much down there because that area didn't get very much grub damage. All the grub damage happened up here. So I'm going to use it to clean up this area up here, level it a little bit. I'm not going to go for precise and washboard, surfboard, sort of like precise leveling. It's more just cleaning up the areas that really got hit heavy with the grubs. And then also, if you can see it right there, that's the downspout. So this gutter that goes along here and up the roof comes down to that downspout. And unfortunately what happened last year, and I didn't install that downspout, but what happened last year is shortly after I overseeded, we got hit with a couple days of pretty decent rain. And so all that water came out of that downspout and then washed a lot of that seed away here on the strip. And so I remembered, hey Chuck, you wanted to go ahead and pull that up and move that out of the way so that doesn't happen again this year. And so now that we are less than a week away from my aeration and overseed, I have to dig it up. So that topsoil is gonna come and help fill that trench back up, although I'm just gonna pull a lot of that soil back, or some of that turf back. But I'm also gonna get a couple bags of the bags of topsoil just to help with some of that trench there. I know it's got wood chips and stuff, so it's gonna degrade over time, and so I'll have to come back at some point and level that off again. But that way I can get more out of this dirt, which is what I really want to use to level. So I really want that to help clean up this area up here. So I have waited so long. I had nice, cool temperatures this morning, and now it is 94 degrees and humid out. But I still have a day job, so I needed to take care of stuff for that. So my first goal before I do any leveling or anything like that is I want to get this downspout taken out. So that's my goal. Get this out first. I have some bag topsoil and some sand, and I'm going to use that because this turf right here, hopefully I can just put this turf back down, but fill it with the bags of topsoil and the sand, and then just put this on top of that. And eventually I'll have to re-level this area again. But I'll put some sand of the big topsoil down on top of this anyway. So it'll probably still need to be leveled down the line, but right now it's fine. I have watched enough of Connor Ward's videos when he had those tree roots growing through his yard. And so he would just pull out the root, and there was something satisfying about that. I don't know why. So I'm gonna see if I can pull this out without having to dig it out anymore. America! We can save that when I put another smaller piece. I have most of the dirt out. As you can see here, there's still some dirt left over there, and I've put 3 scoops of dirt down there by the mailbox and started regrading it. It looks so much better already. But with that dirt down there, I kind of want to leave it down there. There's a dip, a ditch, whatever, because the driveway sort of slopes from that house towards my driveway, and then it goes down the hill, down the street, right? But there was like a 4-inch dip down there. And so I've already put some dirt over there to clean up just the dip and level it with the driveway a little bit better. But if I can leave that dirt down there and just level that off a little bit better with that leftover dirt, that'd be amazing. But this area up here where the grubs were is the big priority. So I'm gonna push this dirt around, see how far I can get it. And if I need more dirt, I have it. If it looks great, because like I said, I'm not going for like the super precise level. It's more, I just want it to look clean. So if I can get to look clean with what I have up here, perfect. If not, I have some dirt down there to keep going. But if not, I can regrade that a little bit better, which would be awesome. So let's go ahead and do that. All the dirt is put out. It's not perfectly level, but like I said, I wasn't going for a laser grade thing. So if I did, I would have spent the money and did a laser grade on it. But from where it was to where it is now, it is so much better. Over there by the door, probably 2 to 3 inches of dirt there. So that's no longer a low spot. It still could probably benefit from another inch of dirt, but whatever. Over here, where the flower bed is, I can tell it kind of like slopes down a little bit towards the flower bed. I did put another bucket of dirt there. Probably could put one more, and I probably, with that one extra bucket I did put, I spread it too thin. So, you know, it's a work in progress. Like, that's the thing. Like, look at the guys who have been doing this for a while. It seems like every year or every other year they're having to re-level their lawn because of just erosion and compaction. You're gonna get dips and crevices and all this stuff. And at least this here on the strip, there's a lot of severity in the dips and all that kind of stuff. So it is now not as severe as it was. I did put some dirt. I did leave dirt there and didn't level it perfectly. It is very much a ditch still, but it's not as bad as it was. So that won't be as bad as for wash away and stuff. So that does look better. You know, I could probably stand for another few scoops of dirt there to really level it off, but that's all right. It's not as severe. I'm cleaning up the severity is what I'm doing. So, and it's gonna be a multi-year process. So anyway, I'm really looking forward to putting some seed down here in a couple days, and just hopefully now watching with some good soil on top, watching this area just thrive and be like a show turf with a really nice flower bed. So if that's it for this video, I hope you all liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. If you want a sticker, please send me a message with an address I can send a sticker to, and I will get that out to you the next business day. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.